So we're gonna take Callisto, just make sure he's not getting adopted. Let's see, Callisto's got a report card here. So I'm gonna go in and get his harness ready. Callisto. Okay, oops. All right. Come here. This goes on the underneath. There you go. Oh. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, let's get your harness on. Let's get your harness. Oh, yes. Okay, inside. So we're in the green room right now here at Fox 13, just waiting for Castillo to make her debut on television. We're going to introduce her to the world and find her a home. Again, if you guys are looking to adopt a dog, a beautiful Chihuahua mix, this is Castillo. She's 8 years old, about 13 pounds, and loves people, so definitely reach out to the Utah Humane Society if you're interested.
All right, it's time to meet our Fox best friend, Yoshi. Brought in Callisto.
Yes.
Hey, Yoshi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. You guys?
Good. So
Good.
tell us about Callisto here.
Well, Callisto is an 8-year-old Chihuahua mix. She actually came from Arizona. I learned today that it's one of the most overcrowded shelters in the nation, and so we get a lot of their animals sent up to us. We don't know a ton about her, unfortunately. They think that she may have been a stray, which is interesting for me to kind of get that concept because she's 8. Yeah. So at some point, I'm sure she had a family, but we'd love to get her a new family now. She weighs about 13 pounds, and unfortunately, that's about all we know about Callisto.
Well, I think she's going to like the weather here a lot better than here.
I'm surprised she's panting right now.
Right?
It's so cold here.
Exactly.
So what's her adoption fee?
It is a name-your-own-price, and, you know, she is actually, I forgot to mention, she's super friendly. Okay. This is actually why we brought her in today. As soon as she saw us, she started jumping up, wanting to go for a walk, and so we said, you know what, you're coming with us. The other ones kind of just stayed in bed. So, yeah, name your own price. So, right. Yeah, good deal.
If you want to donate to the Humane Society. Thanks, Yoshi. Appreciate
Thank you.
It. Here's all the information you need to give a call about the dogs or cats they've got there, the Humane Society of Utah. It's 801-261-2919.
So Callisto did her debut on Fox 13 today. She did great, but now it's the most difficult part of the day, which is bringing Callisto back here to the shelter. And so if you are looking to adopt a Chihuahua mix, definitely head on down here to the Utah shelter, Utah Humane Society, and come adopt Callisto before I come back and adopt her because she's absolutely adorable.